Hi, I'm Karen Atkins, singer-songwriter and health educator. Today I'm going to show you a really fun sound that you can do for your ligaments, tendons, and joints and all your organs. It's a kind of a universal healing sound. You can do it on its own, and it's also the 8th of 8 healing sounds that I do very often to help heal all the organs of the body. So you can start with your feet parallel, about shoulder width apart. The sound that we're going to be making is Hoom, and you're going to be shaking out your whole body. So imagine you're like a dog who goes in the water and then shakes everything out from the center. So you can be shaking from the waist when you say the sound, okay? You ready to try this with me? Let's do it. Inhale out to the side, and exhale, pressing forward. Inhale out. Shake it. Feels really good. You can do it as many times as you like to feel good. 3 is a good number, 6, and then after you finish, you just want to close it up. Awesome job sticking with it to the end. It's the small, consistent things making you feel good every day that'll make a huge difference in the long run. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to be the first to get all my new videos. Thanks and see you soon.